So today I'm gonna show you how to do this beautiful waterfall crisscross twist.
And I can comment.
We're gonna start off by a regular waterfall twist. You're just gonna take two strands, you're gonna twist. You're gonna take a section of hair from the top and you're gonna twist it between them. Just like that. And you're gonna do it one more time. You're gonna take the hair and you're gonna twist it between them. One more time. Take the hair, replace it between them, and then twist. And you're gonna do it till the end. You can do it as long as you want to. I'm gonna do it till here.
Okay.
It should be an even number of the strands. So, take a section of hair from down, a bit down, and you're gonna just twist it one time. So, to make it a crisscross, you're gonna take the strand from this side, not the first one, the second one, and you're gonna twist it, between the two strands. Just do one twist, and take the other one from the front and twist it in. Take the next one, the second one, brace it between the two strands and then twist. And take the front one and twist it in. So it looks like an X shape. Do a regular twist and then take the front one, twist it in, no, the back one, and then the front one, and then you're gonna twist it in here. And then you can tie them together if you want to, but I'm just gonna